Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI Agents demo. We are building enterprise autonomous AI agents using Langchain and using a brain which is Groq. We'll use Groq's LPU to kind of use it as a processor. We'll be using the model Llama model, which is open source, and our agent will be able to do market intelligence and directly work with Google Sheets. That's the integration I'm going to demo today. Let's get started. Before I show you the demo, as always, hit that like button for me. If you have doubts, comment, want to learn, subscribe, want one-on-one training or consulting, email me. Let's start with the demo. All right, so I have a Google Sheets here open, and what we are doing is market intelligence or market competitor analysis here using our tool. So as you know, if you are following my tutorials, you know that everything is configuration driven, right? So I'm going to enable all of these agents in one video later on, but for now, let me just enable Google Sheets for now for this demo and bring up our server using fast API. It's gonna take 5 seconds, but in the meanwhile, hit that like button. Okay, the application is up. I hope you hit that like button. Now let's go back to our docs. Here, let's go to analysis, and now let's search for hottest news in AI, which is most likely be Anthropic news, I believe. So let's take this URL. It's publicly accessible. Yep. And then pass it to our API endpoint. Hit on try. These are Swagger endpoints which are already built in inside the fast API. So the workflow is we pass a URL. That URL will be sent to Tavily search client. From there it goes to Groq, which is what is using the AI brain or the processor using the Llama 3.370B versatile model. You can change this model if you would want. Now, once this data is extracted, it will be summarized and sent to our bot, right? This is the Excel sheet. Let's go ahead and hit that execute and go back to our Excel sheet. Look at entry number 32. It did it in less than a couple of seconds. This work usually takes a market analyst at least a couple of hours of work, if not days. All of this can be done in less than few seconds using our AI agent. These are real business use cases which we are trying to automate using our AI agents. I hope you enjoy it and you like this video. If you want the source code and I'll make it available, please let me know in the comment section and like this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next episode. We'll keep integrating as many applications as possible in our agent. Thank you and see you in next episode.